Hey everyone, this is Isaac, and welcome to another Photoshop tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a pixelated effect in Photoshop. Let's get started. The first thing we need to do is create a custom brush preset. Create a new layer, go to the marquee tool, and while holding shift, create a perfect square. Go to edit, fill, put color, and choose a black color. Press OK. Go to edit, define brush preset, let's name it pixel brush. Press OK. As you can see, that's my brush now. Let's go make an unselection and we can delete this layer. As you can see, when I draw now, it's the brush that we just created. Create a new layer, press on the brush settings, put the size to 40 and put the spacing to around 800%. Go to shape dynamics, put the size jitter to max, go to scattering and put the scatter to around 800%. What I will do with this is make it invisible for now. Select our layer with the model, press Command J to duplicate it or Ctrl J on PC. Go to filter, liquify, and drag the model across the whole picture. When you're ready, press OK, and now we can make the top layer visible, put our liquefied layer on top, right click it, and click Create Clipping Mask. We can move our squares around. Let's select the bottom and top layer, and press Command J to duplicate it again. By pressing Command T or Ctrl T, I can make it smaller, and I can flip it so it looks a bit different. I'm going to make it even smaller. As you can see, it's very messy now. I'm going to make everything invisible for now. Select our main layer, press the object selection tool, and I'm going to select our model. Press Command J, duplicate it or Ctrl J on PC. As you can see, it looks much more cleaner now. Let's make the pixels invisible again, and the new model picture we just made. I'm going to select our model, I'm going to edit, fill, I'm going to cut and aware fill it. As you can see, our model has disappeared from our background. Let's make everything visible again. I'm going to grab our model layer, go to our eraser tool, put the hardness to 0, put the size to around 100, I'm going to erase her feet. So it looks like she's dissolving. I'm going to grab the brush tool, make a new layer, go to brush settings, and put the scatter to even bigger. I'm going to change the brush tip to something smaller, like 25%. What I'm going to do with this is make a selection of this layer by holding Command and pressing on the layer. What we can do is delete this layer by holding it and dragging it to the trash can. With the selection, I'm going to select our model and press delete. And as you can see, it makes pixel shaped holes in our model. For the last step, I'm going to import a grid picture, just like this one, place it above our background layer, but below everything model related. I'm going to go to Effects, Color Overlay, put it as black, turn opacity down to the whole layer. That's it for this video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.